Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all for tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, so one second here, one second. One second here. All right, so yeah, I'm going to tell the team members we're on live now. We shall take a look at some trades. Dang, MSFT did its thing there. One second here. Alright, TikTok live now. Everyone, alright, just tell team members that we are on live now. And I probably should plug my phone in too. Yo, Gonzo, what's up? Good to see you, bro. Alright, yeah, let's plug this in. Alright, yeah, we shall see how, everything plays out. For today. So AMD, Tesla. Tesla's honestly looking pretty nice, especially if we can somehow get that close there. So yeah, what do we have here? Clear move up, no consolidation. And this is what I would want to the downside, and we'll have to see. So yeah, even if we do get this 1 hour close, I do want to see end of day how we're going to react here. Doesn't look too bad. So yeah, we do have what? Clear move up, no consolidation. Do have my top and bottom wall here, so yes, bottom wall, 2 points of contact. I'm looking to see if we can potentially get that break under into this empty space. So, you know what, we'll keep an eye out on that. So yeah, if we go back to the box here, so yes, if we somehow go back to this box there, I could definitely see price pushing up. But if we can get that close, it looks good. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning back in. And I do have to pull up my other live stream, so 1 second here. Let's see. All right, yeah, so just put up the other chat. All right, so right now, 25 minutes left. Yeah, we did really good today. I do want to see if we can get that close. All right, so now let's take a look here. 1 second. Let's go. Alright, so AMD. Yeah, we ended up doing very well in that. So, today, you can see pretty much what we did today. AMZ, and that was beautiful trade. We had that, yesterday until today. And then, yes, also AMD. And yeah, that ended up working out great. You can see what one member did on AMZN. But as for AMD, yes, we did go ahead and already tap into this empty space here. What I'm seeing now is this. So let's take a look here. 1 second. So let's see. So 1 second here. 1 second. So there is a nice top over there from what I'm seeing. Nice bottom wall here. And obviously, yes, under us. See this clear gap up of no consolidation. Personally, I do want to see if we can get that nice candle body closure just like that. That would be pretty nice. Just to see if we can somehow break under this wall here into this empty space, which looks great. But, for me at least, I am waiting for this other move here. So, yeah, not a crazy move. But yeah, you can see from entry to exit, the legit middle of the move. So, yes, the direct middle is where I would want price to end up reversing. So, if we can continue, that looks good. So, we'll see. So, Tesla, pretty much back to the box here. 23 minutes left till there. AMD. All right, yeah, so AMD looks pretty fire. We'll keep an eye out on Tesla. I do have my alert pretty much there. All right, so WMT. Hold on, let's see. WMT. And also Apple. Okay, cool. Yeah, no worries. Apple. Yo, what's happening? Thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. So yeah, today was a great day. Honestly, if we don't get that close right now, I'm just gonna wait and see how everything plays out. But It doesn't look bad though. We'll have to see how that plays out. All right, so right now that was on Tesla. You can see what we did just today. So this is why I'm waiting for the end of day for a play, just because I do want to see if we can go into this empty spacer, which honestly doesn't look too bad. So we'll just have to see. Yo, appreciate all the follows. Everyone tuning back in. So yeah, you can see, yes, before the aftermath, we're in the box, no trade. We end up breaking outside the wall. We take the trade. So yeah, you can see AMZ and before the after. You can see what one member did there just today. And yeah, if I have to get tapped out of a play, you know, that's perfectly fine. You can also see what we did on the Qs, IWM, for aftermath. So that was what, the other day. So I just want to show you more examples of what we pretty much do. And yeah, either the plays work or they don't. All right, so Tesla still not doing anything there. Yo, Jerry, what's up? So NVDA, you guys want to see that? Also TEM. All right, wait 1 second here. So for Apple, let's take a look. Yeah, honestly, and same thing here. So Amazon TM, oh, they have earnings tomorrow. Okay, cool. And yes, just please all do your own research before doing anything. If you join the Discord, whether if it's the free chat or the VIP, just make sure to do your own research. All right, so Apple TM, LLY. Yo, Jonathan, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. All right, so Apple, personally, I am waiting for this one. So what looks good to me, you know, that doesn't look bad at all, is this. So as of now, I am seeing that we do have empty space above us. So yeah, you can see this clear move down of no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the upside. So you can easily see, yes, we do have a nice Potter box here. If we can somehow break and close above our top wall, we do have empty space. So yeah, I do have my alerts pretty much set on that. So well, I've been waiting on this one for a very long time, and as of right now, I'm just gonna wait. So same thing with all of our trades, what we call out. So today, or that was yesterday into today, but you can see we waited for a position into the upside. We ended up waiting. You can see AMD, we're in the box, no trade. We end up breaking outside of our wall, our level. So yes, if we're in the box, if we're in consolidation, I'm not taking anything. I'm not telling the members, oh, let's do this. No, I'm gonna wait. And you can pretty much see how things play out with that. All right, so hold on, let's see. Tesla, still playing around. Oh, so yeah, we'll have to see. Excuse me, guys, my bad. All right, so that was on AMD, WMT, Apple. Okay, we did that. LLY, TM. Okay. Where are we at? So LLY. So Tesla crossing again. Okay, whatever. Let's see. So, and personally, yes. If we do get that close, maybe I'll have a lot of, we'll have to see. But I do want to wait for the end of day. So yes, the last hour is when we mainly get into our trades. But as of right now, let's see. Let's go to LLY. Oh yeah, so I can easily see, yes, we did have a clear move down, clear gap down. I'm also looking at this. So yes, each play is going to be exactly the same. I see empty space here. And next, what is this? Let's see. Beautiful top ball there, beautiful bottom ball here. And what I'm looking for is, if we can get under this bottom level here, I would be looking for the next resistance, which is down to this red candle there. So, you know, it doesn't look too bad. Entry to exit the middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So that's on LLY. And no, I'm not telling any of you guys and gals to get into any of these plays. Yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. All right, we're gonna keep an eye on that. TM. Also, let's go to a higher time frame, break it down. So what? Right after close, or so yeah, Friday before open, I believe. All right, so yeah, before open. So TM. We'll take a look here. Let's see. All right, honestly, I will be honest. We look for the same play pretty much each and every day. What doesn't look terrible to me is this. So, as you can see, yeah, top all there, bottom all here. We could somehow, some way, break under this bottom level. What do we have under us? Empty space. So yeah, each trade is going to be exactly the same. You can see why we wait for our setups. I don't rush into anything. Before the after, or I mean, entry, exit, middle of the move. We have imbalance. So yeah, right now, yeah, we're inside of consolidation. But yeah, if it does want to dump, I can definitely see this empty space here, which doesn't look bad. But buyers are in control right now, so we'll have to see how that plays out. Doesn't look too bad there. Also, yo, Big O, what's up, bro? Good to see you. So what, WMT as well. So yeah, Walmart. All right, so 24-hour and about this one, yeah, that final TP ended up hitting. So yeah, I had a crazy run. You can see, yes, clear move down and no consolidation. We ended up breaking above our top wall, our top level, and yeah, we ended up going straight up to this upside. And honestly, I really don't see anything else that I like unless it's this. So let's see. Hold on, give me a second here. So okay, this is what I'm seeing. You know, it doesn't look bad now. We have Potter Box, nice points of contact here. So let's get rid of this so you aren't confused of what I'm looking at. So I do see, yes, we do have this quick move up with no consolidation. And what I'm waiting for is a break under. So if we can, you know, break and close under this bottom wall here, I'm looking for, you know, the next resistance, which is, let's see, down to that red candle there. So yeah, it looks good. That's to the downside. Obviously, that upside did end up hitting that first and that final. And yeah, same thing with what happened today. And yes, I get it. I know I'm showing this a lot, but we kept it simple. We waited for our trades, just like all these other examples here. Yeah, it was wild. Great day. Shout out to Fabi as well. Another day with the best group. And yeah, either the plays work or I get tapped out, which is perfectly fine too as well. All right, so yo, Sonny, what's up? Good to see you. Can you take a look at Trip? Let me see. Trip and SMCI. So SMCI and also Trip. All right, cool. Crazy Cat Lady, what's up? What's up? I just realized that your profile picture is a picture of a cat. I don't know why. I never clicked on it, but yeah, it's yeah, okay. I see the cat now. Cool. I don't know. I always thought it was a car. I don't know why. Now I had a closer look. All right, INTC. Yo, Fast Rod. What's up? Good to see you. So what? INTC. All right, cool. No worries. All right, so yeah, keep an eye on there. We'll see how that plays out too. All right, so for SMCI, we'll take a look. Let's get rid of all this. Yo, Myra, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. All right, so SMCI. Let's go to a lower time frame, and let's try to break this down here. Oh, okay, yeah, that looks really good. So yeah, what I would see here, personally, and yeah, same exact thing, of course. We have, what is this? Clear move down, no consolidation here. And as you can see, top wall, bottom wall here, we somehow can get a break above our top wall. I'm looking for the next resistance. And personally, I don't see any. Well, I see some here. Do want to see if we can get up to there. So doesn't look too bad there. Entry to exit, the middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. Honestly, yeah, it looks good, looks decent. So yeah, we're in consolidation. I don't want to take anything. I'm just gonna wait. You can see, yeah, today was just great. You could just look and just see what one of the members ended up doing. Crazy. That was on AMZN. AMD did well. Still waiting on a few other ones though, I will be honest. But yeah, you can see also yesterday, the day before, we looked for the same plays each and every day. And yeah, if it hits, cool. If it doesn't, I can get tapped out and find a new entry. So yeah, you can pretty much see also QQQ, before, aftermath. Yeah, shout out to all the members. Yeah, it's been wild. You can see another member here, IWM. Crazy. So yes, we call out all the positions, and yeah, if it works, cool. If it doesn't, I'll stop out. You can see, you know, that decent play there. Yeah, it was wild. All right, so now let's keep going. SFCI, Trip, and then you guys wanted me to look at. Let's see, hold on. So SFCI, yeah, that 4 hour, you know, would line up too as well. We get that break above that 47.54. I do like that 2 hour too as well though. All right, so on Trip, we'll keep on going here. And Meta, yeah, no worries. Appreciate it for the follow. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat if you want. Hold on. Or the VIP chat as well. Alright, so Trip, let's take a look. I don't know what these lines are, but looks like there's empty space here. Yo, appreciate the follow. I really appreciate it. So yeah, right now, it looks like, and you know, same exact thing. We do have the empty space under us, which doesn't look bad. So yeah, what am I seeing here? Clear move up, clear gap there. If I look further to the left, is there empty space upside? Hold on, let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, that downside here. So yeah, you're exactly correct. So over here, yeah, we do have. Dang, yeah, that's going to be beautiful. So yeah, we'll break it down. So all of that nice little move there. Let's see, we can. Where are we at right now? Let's see. As of like this second though, what I am currently seeing is we do have some to the downside too. So, and sorry for the bad music. I don't know. It's just some random playlist. I think it's my original playlist. But yes, top all there, bottom all here. If we do continue, could see down to that 1353 area. Entry, exit, middle of the move looks pretty good. But yeah, if we do end up, you know, yeah. So let's just say if we do want to target to the upside. Oh yeah, we have. What's that? 5323 area. So yeah, this is another box here that I'm seeing. Alright, so Tesla still inside the box here, so just being patient on this one. Yo, Robert, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. Alright, cool. And yes, hold on, give me 1 second, guys. I will be going to get me some water. I didn't get any before the live, so. And yeah, you can scroll through the games page. You can see what we did today, what a few members did today. You can look at the testimonials and see as well what we do here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, just make sure to do your own research. If you do anything, not selling you guys and gals to get into any of these plays. So yes, please do your own research. But yes, link is in the bottom for the Discord. I shall be right back. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. I am back. So yeah, we'll keep going. See, I got a cookie too. 1 second. Yo, Indu, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, man. Thanks for being in the live stream. All right, so what? Medicals? Yeah, we'll take a look there. So we did SMCI. We did Trip. Tesla does not want to participate right now, so yeah, we're gonna wait on that. And also what? SPY? Yeah, no worries, bro. Let's do it. So personally, let's get rid of this really quickly. Let's go to a higher time frame, maybe a 4-hour. Honestly, yeah, you guys know what I see. Personally, what I like is this. And yeah, honestly, yeah, it looks like we are entering into some empty space there. What also looks good here is this. So yes, we do have clear move up and no consolidation there. And what looks good to me, and let's see here. Top wall there, bottom wall there. Looks really decent. We end up breaking under this bottom wall here. Personally, I do want to see if we can go to this downside. So yeah, I definitely would have a trim there, but I do want to see if we can somehow get that. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. On a lower time frame, let's see. So could end up breaking this down. Let's see, 30 minute. So yeah, I do like that 1 hour. Obviously, if we do continue, we could. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, if we end up continuing, we could potentially go down to this 749 area. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. All right, so yeah, Tesla said not today, not right now at least. So hopefully tomorrow we can get it. All right, so what? SPY, Sound, and also NVDA. Okay, perfect. All right, so what? Yeah, Tesla not participating right now. Lulu hit a low today. You think it's up? I think the company is buying. So what? Lulu? Hold on 1 second here. Yeah, see, this is why. For at least this one, this is why I did want to wait on that. Because we couldn't get the close here. Still looked good to the downside, but like I said, there's no close. I'm not getting in. Obviously, we could even hold long enough for me to get in the starter. So yeah, we'll see if we can get that close there. All right, so SPY also, we'll take a look. Yo, thanks for the follow. We appreciate it. All right, so SPY and then Sound and NVDA. We'll take a look there. Oh wow, I gotta charge my MacBook. 1 second here. Have a look at I have not. I could take a look there if we can. And Apple. Yo, H-Town, what's up, bro? All right, cool. So honestly, yeah, I might just wait for the end of day swings. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for my end of day swings. Obviously, you can see what we did on Amazon, so we ended up swinging this one. See, shout out to the members too as well. AMZN, you can see what one member did there, and he's actually a new member too. So that ended up doing really well. And obviously, not just today. You can see what we did yesterday, day before, Monday. You can pretty much just scroll through and see IWM. One member there. Shout out to Karina. And yeah, either obviously it works or it doesn't. If it works, cool. If it doesn't, I'm gonna get tapped out, which is fine. All right, so where are we at? So we'll do SPY, Sound, and then we'll do NVIDIA, and then we'll do Apple too. All right, so NVDA. Let's take a look here. Yes, sir, Neff. Good to see you, bro. Gotcha, man. All right, so it looks like we are creating some empty space. So hopefully throughout pre-market we can, you know, make some structure so I can take this to the upside. Obviously to the downside though, what looks good, hold on, let's see here. Honestly, I would wait for some more structure to form. If we end up breaking below this, hold on, let's see. I just don't want to draw some random boxes. Want to see some points of contact here. 1 second. Maybe on this 45 minutes, 30 minute. All right, so if we do continue, this is what I'm seeing here. Top all there, bottom all here. And yes, I am seeing that we get under the 625. We can go down to the 621. Actually, yeah, it actually doesn't look bad. We'll have to see how that plays out too. So entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what I want, exactly what I need. So yeah, where are we right now? Looks like we're trying to build some structure here. So yeah, would wait on that. Or actually, maybe I am tripping. There's also a little move here. So yeah, we look for the same, pretty much same plays. What did I see here? Empty space. What did I see there? Potter box, a nice area of consolidation. Now we're looking for that break if we can. That looks really good, really decent. And yes, each of my plays are going to be exactly the same in my Discord. Obviously, yes, you know, either it hits or it doesn't. What, INTC as well, and then we'll do sound too. So this is what, an earnings play? Let me see. All right, so as of right now, let's take a look. Let's go to a 24-hour chart, and then yeah, let's work our way down. So 24-hour, don't see anything I like there. So yes, we do go down to a lower time frame. 4 hour, let's see. Hold on, I do see something though. Give me a second here. Okay, I can see we could potentially tap into here. Down to that 1036, but hold on, let's see. What I personally like is this. So let's see here. So yeah, you know, it doesn't look, I do like this 1 hour. This 1 hour, this is something that I would wait for. That doesn't look too bad. So yes, we do have a nice top all there, bottom all here. We somehow can get above this 1135. I don't see any resistance up to this, what, 1192. And obviously, yes, not selling any of you guys and gals to get into any of these plays. So yes, you just all have to do your own research. And where are we currently? Let's see here. We're at this 1060 area. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Also, yeah, we do have the upside here, but I do want to see if we can build some structure so we can potentially take this upside. So yeah, there's also that. But we are trying to form some structure here, so I'm just gonna let it make a, you know, nice top all. Looks like we do have a bottom all there. And yeah, that's how I do all my plays. Obviously, yes, the empty space is easiest, but I try to get my boxes right. So if my boxes aren't correct, and it may look like I'm just drawing random boxes, and you know, that's pretty much it. But so hold on, Tesla. So yeah, Tesla, we couldn't get the close. So we were almost there, but it just said not right now. So yeah, that's why I wanted to wait for that close. I was like, that's what I was looking for. All right, so now that is there. INTC. All right, so NVDA, and also we got to go over INTC. We'll go over those two as well. Thanks for liking the live stream. Really appreciate it. So yeah, this is why we wait. You can see, yeah, it looks like I'm drawing boxes. I mean, obviously they are rectangles, boxes, whatever you want to call them. But you can see one of the members what we did just today. And yes, you can see also yesterday, another day with the best group. Fabi, she'll probably post her gains later today. But yeah, you can see in the box, no trade. I'm not getting to anything. We somehow, some way can break outside of our wall. Then yes, that's when, you know, we mainly get into our trades. And yeah, either the trades work or they don't. You can see, yes, we call out all the setups. Walls we need to break above, below. If we can get above. And yeah, you can see also all the other members here as well. So yeah, it was wild. Pretty, honestly, great week. Also great day. Do want to see how the end of the day will bring us for some swings as well. Alright, so yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. Just make sure to do your own research, of course. You can join the free chat or the VIP. Just make sure you do your own research. Alright, so Tesla, yeah. I wanted Tesla, and we almost had it. But what ended up happening? Buyers took control. They said not right now. So yeah, we could not get that close. Am I going to cry about it? Absolutely not, because it still looks good if we can get a close under. Hopefully this can be okay for tomorrow. Hopefully we somehow chop tomorrow and we don't get it until in the morning or maybe in the day. We'll have to see. All right, so we did sound, right? I'm pretty sure we did sound. Did we do INTC? I don't think we did. All right, so INTC, let's take a look here. Yo, Logic, what's up, man? Yeah, I can take a look at the cues, no worries. Let's see here. All right. Let's take a look at this 4 hour. Oh yeah, this actually looks really good. Yo, Bartman, what's up? So what? NEE and also, hold on one second. Let me write this down. Trip and what? QBT or hold on. All right, yeah, cool. We'll go over those. No worries, no worries. And also, oh yeah, I gotta go over Lulu too. All right, I'm just gonna pull these up. I do have my alerts on that too. All right, so Lulu. All right, I'm gonna just keep those up as well. So, right now for INTC, and yes, we're on a 4 hour right now. This is just what I personally see. We did have a nice clear sell off this here. Sorry, I can't even speak English right now. But yeah, we do have what nice top ball here. I personally like this bottom over there. That looks pretty nice. And yes, you can see we somehow can get above there. I would love to see if we can try it up to here. So, you know, it doesn't look too bad there. From the entry to exit, the middle of the move. So from entry, from exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what I want, which is the imbalance. So yeah, if we can break outside of this Potter box here, let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Not bad at all. I'm on the phone all day, not much trade. So yeah, at least, you know, this morning it was it was fire. It was great. That's what I can say. But yeah, you know, afternoon, I do like to, you know, either, yeah, sometimes we end up getting that end of day sell-off, or we might end up just moving sideways. So, but yeah, you can see what members did there. Yeah, it was a wild day. It was crazy. All right, wait, sound, ITC, so Lulu. Okay, let's get rid of all this. I don't know what that is. Let's start fresh here. So as of right now, wow, Lulu's downfall, crazy. All right, so as of right now, let's take a look. Maybe on a 24 hour, maybe a 4 hour, possibly we could find something. Let's see where we are. So I could see us dropping. Where are we dropping into though? Hold on. Yes, I am going back to 1963. So, all right, this is what I'm seeing here. Actually, yeah, not bad. So right now, and yes, this is all the way back from Dang, that's a while back. All right, so anyways, let's see here. There is a top wall there. So we do have a nice bottom wall here too as well. Thank you. Yeah, no worries, bro. Good to see you once again. Yo, FRN, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So yeah, as you can see, yes, what is this? And yes, we keep the same thing, same plays each and every day. I don't try to confuse my members. We have one play, we have two plays, we focus on those. Once we get those entries, we take them. If we don't get an entry, that's perfectly fine. We wait. Obviously, yes, we do have the empty space. We have exactly what we need, or what I need. And cool, if the play works, great. Where are we at now? We're at this 190 area. There's just not an entry for me. I'm not getting into anything. I'm not touching this until we can get under this bottom level here. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing there. So same thing, AMZN, we had the empty space that we wanted. We had a break outside of our wall. We actually had a very good entry on it, but we ended up breaking above into this empty space. We ended up going into that gap there. Same thing, AMD, before, clear gap down. We end up breaking above the wall. And yeah, we focused on just a couple setups. And yeah, we can see where we pretty much called these out this morning. You can see what one member did there. So yeah, shout out to the members. And he's actually really new, so yeah, new faces here. So, and yeah, you can see how that pretty much happened there. Been so busy. Yeah, dude, no worries, man. Good to see you back into the live streams. I was like, where did Logic go? All right, so what? So that was on INCC, Hughes, Lulu. Yeah, that looks pretty fire. I do like that as well. So you guys wanted to see what else. So we did meta, NEE. We'll go there. There's an echo? Dude, why are you guys saying there's an echo? Is there really an echo? Or is it the room I'm in? Who knows? Something's definitely different with audio. I don't think my Bluetooth is on. That is so weird. I didn't change anything. Hold on, let's check the settings really quickly. Hey, Iman, what's up, dude? Yeah, I can go over TSM. Voice effects. Okay, I don't. All right, it doesn't say I have any voice effects on. Smooth. So let's see here. Hopefully this works. All right, cool. Anyways, we'll keep going here. My bad. I was just messing with the settings. It's starting to sound like my other page. 1 second here. All right, so what we did, Lulu, NNE. We'll take a look here. Also, what TSM. We can also take a look there as well. So yeah, let's see. All right, it looks like something. Let's get rid of this. Maybe I am seeing something here. Let's see here. Check out S-Bucks. Okay, yeah, we'll check out. So honestly, I think I may be waiting on that, but we'll see. We'll have to see. All right, wait, hold on. I do want to look at this too. So TSM 24-hour. Don't really see anything that I like. I do see something on a possible 1 hour, maybe 30-minute chart. So 15-minute. I just hate how these candles look. I will be completely honest. So yeah, there is this gap here that looks, pretty decent. I'm also seeing we do have a box here. What I can see is if we can break under this wall, we have empty space down to this 232 area, which honestly looks good. You can see entry, exit, the middle of the move. So yes, the direct middle of the move is exactly what I want. So where are we right now? Looks like we're trying to go into another gap here. So another box there. We break under this wall. I'm looking for the next resistance, which is down here. Actually doesn't look too bad. So yeah, we'll see how that ends up playing out there. We shall see. All right, so sound. So yeah, you can see this is the empty space I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm pretty much looking for the same play. Obviously, yes, we know what the top walls and the bottom walls do. You can see what we did, well, from yesterday to today. You can see the before, after. You can see what one member did there. You can see what another member did. Also, this was yesterday. But yeah, it was wild. Before, aftermath, and that's pretty much it. You can see all the plays here. Either they work or I get tapped out. So that's pretty much it. All right, so we'll keep going. S-Bucks. We'll take a look there. And then what? We didn't do NNE either. All right, cool. All right, yeah, so one more second, guys. Oh, that looks really good, actually. Yeah, we'll take a look here. One more commercial break here. So one second here, I'm gonna go on a commercial break. If you guys want to join the Discord, links in the bio. Just make sure to do your own research. Yo, what's up, guys and gals? I am back now. Alright, so let's go over some more trades, what I'm looking at. One second. Alright, so we'll keep going here. So as of right now, NNE, or NEE, see. So yeah, it looks like we do have the empty space. Clear as day. What I can also, you know, easily see is there is a nice box here. So top all there, bottom all here. And what I'm waiting for, what I'm looking for is if we can somehow, some way get this nice break above, I'm looking for the next resistance. Personally, I don't see any until this green candle there. So yes, entry to the exit, the middle of the move. Yes, the direct middle of the move is exactly what I want. Do want to see if we can potentially get that nice break above. So yes, what do we have? Clear move down, no consolidation. Once we can somehow, and hopefully end of day we can end up doing that. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. Yo, appreciate all the follows. Appreciate the likes as well. See, that is on NED. Yeah, actually looks pretty good. All right, so S-Bucks. Let's take a look here. Personally, yeah, I'm waiting on this move up here. So what do we have? Empty space. So clear move down, no consolidation. This is what I would want to the upside. And, you know, it looks good. It looks decent. But where are we at right now? So, I mean, honestly, yeah, maybe on a lower time frame, there is some empty space above us. Personally, what I would wait for, what I am looking at is this. And yes, all the plays in my Discord are going to be exactly the same. There's this right here. Clear move down, so clear gap down there. No consolidation. I'm also seeing that we do have a nice top all there, nice bottom all here. So if we can somehow get that nice break above here, this wall here, I don't see any resistance until that green candle. So yes, from the entry to the exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. You know, all of our trades going to be the same. Right now, where are we at? We're inside the box, or we're rejecting the box. So I'm not going to take a trade. I'm just going to wait just to see if we can get an entry. If we can, great. If not, no worries on that at all. So yeah, we shall see how that plays out. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside the VIP Discord. Got to work on the setups now. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. If you guys want to join the Discord, links in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries at all. Just make sure to do your own research, whether if you join the free or the VIP. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. I'll see you either in the Discord or I'll see you on my next live stream. Thank you all so much.